Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make dashi stock from powder updated. Start by measuring powder and water precisely to achieve clear umami, then heat water to just below boiling. Stir in powder off heat to avoid bitterness, taste, and adjust with small increments. Use immediately for miso soup, noodles, or simmering vegetables, or cool and refrigerate up to 3 days in a sealed container for later use. Warm and cozy, this step-by-step method keeps things simple and precise for TTS listeners. Heat water to the recommended temperature and remove from heat, then whisk in powder until smooth. Pause to taste, since powders vary in strength, and adjust gradually by adding small amounts of powder or hot water. Use the dashi right away in soups or simmer dishes, or cool it quickly and store in the fridge for quick meals later. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful cooking guides. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that changed how I think about money, and it pairs with the small investments you make in good kitchen tools. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab it if you're curious, and now let's get back to the video. I like to share friendly flavor tips to make your dashi taste homemade. Try softening a small strip of kombu in warm water before adding powder, then remove before it boils, which layers natural umami. Always taste before seasoning with soy sauce or miso to avoid oversalting. For a gentle sweetness and aroma, finish with a splash of sake or mirin if your recipe calls for it, and enjoy a richer, balanced stock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.